2 decades later, several companies and even NASA are working on the Concorde's spiritual successor, and this one looks promising. The aircraft you see here is called the Overture, and it is a long-haul jet with outstanding performance figures. It is made by a company called Boom, and you can tell they've got a thing for emphatic names because the engine that powers it is called Symphony. The jet is capable of flying at Mach 1.7 and it has a range of 4,250 nautical miles. This means the Boom Overture can theoretically fly from New York City to Europe and back on a tank. And yet, despite these amazing performance figures, it is as green as jets can get. Boom says the Overture jet is, on average, 80% more efficient than your average airliner. It's almost like having a Bugatti Chiron that does 300 miles per hour at 200 miles per gallon. It's super fast and super green, and the Overture jet is also super slick. The plan is to build at least 1,000 aircraft in total. Speaking of which, the Boom Overture is being designed as we speak, with production expected in 2024. The first flight is scheduled for 2027.